Hey, what's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 here. What a surprise. What I mean by what a surprise, okay? Welcome to this vlog I'm going to do as far as that, okay? Like I did last week, I did it again, which I never knew about until today when I got off the bus. I got here a Church's chicken sandwich, alright? Okay? So, about to eat this Church's chicken sandwich. Okay, y'all read it and weep. Alright. Alright. Look how it look, y'all. Look at that. Take the pickles off. Like I did the last time. So anyway, and you know what? I ain't know Church's was ever doing a chicken sandwich, you know. So here we go. I'm about to take my first bite, like I did last time, with a Church's chicken sandwich. Y'all ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. This is delicious. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope none of y'all don't fight over this, okay? Like y'all did with a Popeye's chicken sandwich, though. I don't know if brothers still doing chicken sandwiches, though. But if they are, I'll do my next vlog of it, okay? This is real good, okay? Let me take another bite. You know what? I got off the bus on St. Claude. I got off the St. Claude bus on St. Claude in Poland, and then I looked at the one that said chicken sandwiches. It cost the same as a Popeye's one. I shouldn't have said that, you know. There's nothing further I can say. Would y'all stop staring at me eating? I'm just kidding. Okay? So, you know what? I doubt that'll happen. I hope y'all don't start fighting over this, okay? Or else the police is gonna be standing by, waiting to arrest people, okay? Do something like that. The police department is standing by, waiting for the arrest each and every one of you that trip out over something like this, okay? It ain't worth your freedom. It ain't worth your life, okay? All right. I'm about to finish this, okay? All right. Bye-bye.